Hey guys, Miss Jensen here. I want you to read my favorite book on landforms. After you listen to this story, send a video to your teacher on Seesaw telling them your favorite landform and why.
Copyright 2013. What are landforms? Landforms are the bumps and grooves on the surface of the Earth. The Earth's surface is bumpy because of mountains, valleys, plateaus, and plains. Plateau, plain, mountain, valley. Mountains are the world's tallest landform. Mountain. Mountains are found on all 7 continents. The tallest mountain of all is Mount Everest. Valleys are the low places of land found between mountains. Valley. Valleys can be made by rivers or by glaciers. Rivers make V-shaped valleys. Glaciers make U-shaped valleys. Flat, low land is called a plain. Plain. Plains are found in the center of a continent. Plains take many years to form and are very old. Plateaus are areas of high, flat land. What landforms are around you? Plateau. The Tibetan Plateau is the highest plateau on Earth. Glossary. Continents. Continents. The largest